Feijoa, also known as pineapple guava, can present a unique set of challenges. The resilient nature of this exotic fruit, celebrated for its tropical flavor and distinctive fragrance, can be harnessed successfully with careful consideration. This guide explores 7 strategic approaches to coaxing your feijoa to fruit abundantly in the desert, transforming your garden into a fruitful oasis. Understanding feijoa. Feijoa acacelowiana, commonly known as pineapple guava, is a hardy evergreen shrub or small tree native to South America. Its leathery silver-green leaves and striking red and white flowers make it an appealing addition to desert landscapes. While feijoa is naturally adapted to Mediterranean climates, with well-defined seasons, it can be coaxed to thrive and fruit even in the challenges of arid regions. 1. Optimal plant placement. Feijoa thrives in full sun but benefits from some protection against the intense desert heat. Planting it on the east or southeast side of structures provides morning sunlight while sheltering it from the harsh afternoon rays. This strategic placement helps moderate temperature extremes, creating a more conducive environment for fruiting. 2. Soil enrichment and mulching. Desert soils are often sandy and lack the organic matter needed for optimal feijoa growth. Enrich the soil with well-rotted compost or organic matter to improve water retention and nutrient content. Mulching around the base of the plant helps retain moisture, regulates soil temperature, and suppresses weed growth, creating favorable conditions for fruit development. 3. Adequate watering practices. While feijoa is drought-tolerant, consistent and deep watering is crucial, especially during the flowering and fruit-setting stages. A drip irrigation system is an efficient way to deliver water directly to the roots, preventing water wastage and ensuring a steady supply for fruit development. Avoid overwatering, as waterlogged soil can lead to root rot. 4. Pruning for productivity. Strategic pruning is a key factor in encouraging feijoa to bear fruit. Prune to maintain a balanced shape, remove dead or crowded branches, and open up the center of the plant to improve air circulation. Focus on shaping the plant during its dormant season to avoid disrupting the fruiting process. 5. Feeding with the right nutrients. Feijoa plants benefit from a balanced fertilizer, particularly one with a higher potassium content, to promote flowering and fruiting. Apply fertilizer in spring and early summer, avoiding excessive nitrogen, which can encourage foliage growth at the expense of fruit production. 6. Frost protection. While feijoa is generally cold-hardy, late frosts can damage developing fruit. In desert regions where temperature fluctuations are common, providing temporary frost protection, such as blankets or row covers, during cold spells can safeguard blossoms and young fruit, ensuring a more bountiful harvest. 7. Be patient and persistent. Growing feijoa in the desert requires patience and persistence. The plant may take a few years to establish itself before producing significant fruit. Consistent care, including proper watering, soil enrichment, and protection from extreme weather conditions, will pay off as your feijoa matures and becomes more prolific in fruit production. Feijoa, with its delightful pineapple-like flavor, can indeed thrive and bear fruit in the challenging conditions of the desert. By implementing these 7 strategic approaches, from optimal plant placement to patient persistence, you can create an environment that encourages the fruitful abundance of your pineapple guava. Transform your arid landscape into a haven of exotic flavors and fragrances, showcasing the resilience and adaptability of this unique fruit.